Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be redoing this oversized vase. I have an olive tree that I want to put in it, and I was looking online and I seen one that I really loved on Pottery Barn, but it was in between $500 and $799, and I was like, I can't afford that. I wish I could, but I can't afford it. So I decided that I'm going to redo a vase that I brought from Vegas years ago, and it's been sitting outside, so I'm going to give it new life. And what I'm doing is I'm going to use any flat paint you want, any house paint. I'm using flat paint. You want it flat because you don't want that sheen, because you want it to look matte, like if you just made this so yourself. So I take the flat paint and I use the blue line ceiling texture and I mix it in here. But I also left me some powder right here just in case I wanted to give it more of a pottery look. So this is what I'm doing. So as I go, I will be showing you guys my progress. But I'll do a little bit while you're on video so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So I'm taking the paint, the mixture, and I'm painting it on. And yeah, it'll be like thick, who cares? Because that's what you want. You want it to be thick. And you just put it on there and try to keep going in the same direction. So what I did was, I don't know if you can see me, what I did was I have a texture brush here. And this brush, I bought it a long time ago online. I think I bought it on Amazon. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just go around it like this and give it that look, like if I just made this myself, this vase myself, just like Pottery Barn. And that's what you want to do. Just keep doing that and giving it that look, that texture look, until you are comfortable and you're happy with the design. But this texture brush is what's going to give it that look, like if I just made it. Let me give you a close-up of it so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So you see how it looks like I just made it, but I'm going to go over it again. So I will be back and show you my progress. So guys, I wanted to come back on and I wanted to introduce myself. My name is DC Marie and I'm new here, and I'm going to be making videos, and as I'm remodeling my home. I don't really know how to talk that well, but I'll get the hang of it as I go. But I wanted to, introduce myself and let you know who I am, and welcome to my channel. And if you like my content, well, just push like, and if you want to share. This is all new to me, and I think I'll get better as I go, because it's my first video of doing any DIY. I love to do a DIY as I remodel my own home. So as I do little projects, I'll be putting them on my channel, and hope you guys enjoy my content. Thank you. So I'll keep going and I'll be back. So I wanted to show you when I'm using this texture thing, this texture brush. We're gonna go over, just keep going around. You wanted to make it look like something that you just made or came from Pottery Barn. And you just, give it that texture like if you made it yourself, which makes it look beautiful. And so I wanted to come back on and show you guys this. It's very simple. You can even use just a little kids broom too that you buy. They sell at the store those little miniature kids brooms. You could take off the broom part and use that as well. And it's coming out very, very nice. But I want to make sure before it dries, because I'm going to go over it again. I have to go over it one more time, and I'm just going to keep going around and doing this and giving it that look, like if I was making it myself. And that's what you want. Here we go. There we go. So After it dries, I'll be back and show you the finishing product, and I'll put the olive trees in it for you guys so you guys get to see it. So this is it drying right now, but it's only the first coat, so I'm gonna have to go over it again, and I have it drying with a little fan on it. So if as soon as it dries, I'm gonna redo the process again because I want it to look, you know, it looks really nice right there, but as it is, but I really want to redo it to where it looks really, really nice. You can see the sheen on it right now because the paint's still wet, but that's why I use matte paint, and that's why I use the powder texture coat to kind of give it that Pottery Barn look. This is a finished product. I wanted to show you the texture that's all inside of this vase. Let's see. You can see really close all this texture, and I just did this and went around and around and around and made it look like this. So after I get it decorated, let me put this back up here. So after I put the olive trees in here and I have it in the corner, I'll show you a video of what it looks like. But this is a finished product of the texture, at least. So see you in a few. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I put my tree in there, and I also made this cardboard plate because I'm gonna add some rocks. I'm gonna try to add them with you guys on video. Okay, so now I got some help. I'm gonna put these rocks in here. And make it look nice. If I need more, I probably should get more. But I think I can make it work. And there you go. A duplicate of, well, not a duplicate, but somewhat like Pottery Barn. There you go. I paid $35 in Vegas for that vase, for that large vase. And it came out really nice. Look how pretty it looks. Thank you guys for watching.